Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm guide you how to process changing Taobao language and to English, and you're attempting this mobile application. Unfortunately, is not straightforward, and task app language can be easily changed like website and on desktop and computer. First, go this website, guys. Taobao, and it's not English, however, and offering to translate a language from Chinese to English. And if you accidentally close the pop before translating, don't worry, simply click on three vertical dots and located in the top right hand corner and screen from the drop down and select translate to bring up translation option again, and you have to freedom to choose language and prefer case you select English language and click on, and you see website quickly translated to English. And this is a simple method you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then comment, like, share this video for more content.